Hello friends, it's Amy McElroy from Eager to Stamp. Nice and simple, we're going to be using a new in colour called Tahitian Tide. We are going to be using some pattern paper from the Tea Boutique pattern paper pack. Particularly looking at using these two here. And of course, being the basic card, it's just using some stamping, using probably this one here. It's kind of be a bit of a fun kind of stamping session, this one. I'm actually haven't pre-made it. I'm just going to go with it. So let's get into it. This is the Tahitian Tide. Score it first at 10.5 centimeters. And then I will cut it at 14.8. Get my bone folder and just burnish that edge. Get a nice crisp edge there. Okay, pop that up here. So I'm going to use two of them. And I'm going to do one. I think I'm more... Let's see. Now this one's got this gorgeous on the back here, so I'll try and keep that one. So, what should we do? I'm going to do 5.7, and I think I'll do this one at 7.5. I'll make this one a bit longer. Okay. Then I'm going to do this one. I like it this way. So this one is also going to be a 5.7 by 5.7. Okay, I'm now going to do a 14.2 by 10 layer. So bring these back in. Okay. Right, so 14.2 by 10 layers. So that's going to go on to here. Then I'm going to layer up my pattern paper just here, and hoping we'll just have a little play. But let's have a look at the stamp set. So we're going to be using our cup of tea. I'm looking at this teacup here. So the question is, do I want to go, you know, this one, and then this one, and then this one again? I think the answer to that one is yes, I do. What do I want to stamp it in? Well, I definitely want to do turquoise. I'd love to play with the freesia or the petal pink, or I could do all three. Decisions. So what I will definitely need to do is stamp that first, not far from the top. Okay, so that's going to be my first bit. And we're going to choose our colours. Okay, so I have decided that I'm going to be using the Tahitian Tide, the Parakeet Party, and the Fresh Freesia to stamp a combination of those teacups going across the top here. I'm going to start with the leaf cup. Right, Fresh Freesia first. What I might do, while I've got it, just put the stripy one on too. Okay, so back to the Fresh Freesia, and this time up the top and kind of halfway. Cool. Then Parakeet Party stripy cup. All right, so stripy cup on the parakeet party. And this is going to be front and center. I'm really sorry if I'm getting my head in the way. Probably could have avoided that by using the Stamper Artist, but anyway. Juicy, 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 juicy. See what happens with that. And we're going to go for now the Tahitian Tide. And halfway from the top, okay, put them to the side. I'll pull in these pattern pieces just now. That's lovely. Okay, so we want them just, yeah, just sitting nicely on top there. You can leave a gap or you can join them together. I'm going to leave a gap. I think that looks quite nice with the gap there. Okay, so just adhere them. Just check that. Yep. Okay, some glue along here. Again, from the edge. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to adhere that to the card front. So again, multi-purpose glue. You could foam mount it, but we're going just for a nice simple card. Alright, so we're going to make our banner, so about 8 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. Got a pair of snips. Let's have a look. I'll put it on here, and yeah, do I want to do a fresh freesia, or do I want to do Tahitian Tide? I'm going to go fresh freesia. Right, so pop this down on our grid paper, and then yeah, I'm happy with that. So it just breaks up that gap between the papers there. There we go. Okay, so to do the inside, just cut another piece of basic white, 14.2 by 10 centimeters. Okay, for the inside of the card, I am going to pretty much follow the theme that was set on the front of the card. So I just need to cut this one. It's currently just over 3.5 centimeters. I think I'd like it to be actually 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeter strip for the inside of the card. And that will also be 14.2 in length. Inside, okay, let's put some glue on that one. And I'll just layer that across there. I'm going to leave a little white space and then layer the card. Okay. And like I said, just a very similar theme to the front. I'm going to stamp this this image here. I think I'll go the turquoise again on this one for the inside of the card. But I'm not going to stamp any sentiment. Tahitian tide. Nice and close to the side, and we're done. Okay, stamped up beautifully, and we're going to put this one on the inside of our card. There we go, there's our nice and basic beginner's card. Just some simple stamping, some simple cutting it out of the pattern paper, a nice simple banner, and then also decorated on the inside of the card. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.